How to use MyCap silicone caps for Bosch Tassimo Brewers. Make sure to use fresh, finely ground coffee for best results. Check the coarseness of your store-bought pod for comparison. Then, fill your empty reusable disc with coffee grounds. Do not fill higher than the max line indicated. Also, do not tamp or compress the coffee down. Then, insert paper filter. This step is optional, but will give you a smoother brew with less silt. Make sure the stainless steel filter is inserted into the silicone cap before using. Apply the barcode sticker to the disc for your desired drink. Make sure you apply the barcode as precisely as possible to avoid brewer errors. Then place the lid on top of your pod to start brewing. Make sure to remove the plastic plug before brewing. Then, place the disc in your machine and brew. Enjoy your perfect MyCap cup.